Hello, Quizthusiast. Are you ready to test your general knowledge with these questions? Let's start. Which planet is known as the red planet? Is it Venus, Mars, or Jupiter? Mars. In which year did World War II end? Was it 1939, 1945, or 1935? 1945. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Was it Chaucer, Shakespeare, or Dickens? Shakespeare. What is the largest mammal? Is it an elephant, giraffe, or blue whale? Blue whale. Which element has the chemical symbol H? Is it helium, hydrogen, or neon? Hydrogen. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Is it China, South Korea, or Japan? Japan. What is the currency of Sweden? Is it the euro, krona, or pound? Krona. The novel 1984 was written by which author? Was it J.D. Salinger, George Orwell, or Ray Bradbury? George Orwell. Which is the smallest prime number? Is it 0, 2, or 1? One. The study of plants is known as what? Is it zoology, biology, or botany? Botany. Which country has the longest coastline? Is it the USA, Canada, or Russia? Canada. The currency yen belongs to which country? Is it Japan, China, or South Korea? Japan. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Was it Picasso, Rembrandt, or Da Vinci? Da Vinci. What is the capital city of Australia? Is it Sydney, Canberra, or Melbourne? Canberra. Which river is the longest in the world? Is it the Amazon, Nile, or Mississippi? Nile. In which organ of the body is insulin produced? Is it the heart, pancreas, or liver? Pancreas. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Is it Mars, Venus, or Mercury? Venus. Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? Was it Bronte, Austen, or Dickens? Austen. What is the capital of Spain? Is it Madrid, Barcelona, or Seville? Madrid. In what year did the Titanic sink? Was it 1912, 1911, or 1915? 1912. What is the primary ingredient in guacamole? Is it tomato, avocado, or lime? Avocado. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series? Is it J.K. Rowling, Suzanne Collins, or J.R.R. Tolkien? J.K. Rowling. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Is it oxygen, carbon dioxide, or nitrogen? Carbon dioxide. In Greek mythology, who turned everything he touched to gold? Was it Midas, Hercules, or Apollo? Midas. How many bones are in the adult human body? Is it 206, 212, or 195? There are 212. The Eiffel Tower is located in which city? Is it Berlin, Paris, or Rome? It's in Paris. Which planet has the most moons? Is it Jupiter, Saturn, or Mars? It's Jupiter. What does a philatelist collect? Is it coins, stamps, or antiques? Stamps. What color is the circle in the Japanese national flag? Is it white, red, or blue? It's red. Which musical instrument has keys, pedals, and strings? Is it a guitar, violin, or piano? It's piano. Who was the first person to step onto the moon? Was it Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, or John Glenn? It was Neil Armstrong. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Is it the Atlantic, Pacific, or Indian? It's the Pacific. How many colors are in a rainbow? Are there 6, 7, or 8? There are 7 colors. What is the main ingredient in a margarita pizza? Is it pepperoni, tomato, or pineapple? It's tomato. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Is it Kilimanjaro, Everest, or K2? It's Everest. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Is it the tiger, lion, or elephant? It's lion. In which city can you find the Colosseum? Is it Athens, Paris, or Rome? It's in Rome. Which planet is known as the ringed planet? Is it Saturn, Neptune, or Uranus? It's Saturn. Who wrote the Odyssey? Was it Homer, Plato, or Virgil? It's Homer. Which element is represented by the symbol AU? Is it gold, silver, or aluminum? It's gold. Which bird is known as a symbol of peace? Is it a sparrow, dove, or falcon? It's dove. What's the capital of Brazil? Is it Buenos Aires, Brasilia, or Rio de Janeiro? It's Brasilia. In which organ of the body would you find the retina? Is it the heart, brain, or eye? It's in the eye. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? Is it an apple, banana, or mango? It's mango. How many sides does a dodecagon have? Are there 10, 12, or 14? There are 12. Which country is famous for its tulip fields? Is it Germany, the Netherlands, or Belgium? The Netherlands. Which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid? Is it vitamin E, vitamin C, or vitamin A? It's vitamin C. What's the world's largest desert? Is it Antarctica, the Sahara, or the Arabian? It's the Antarctica. What's the primary ingredient in traditional sushi? Is it rice, fish, or seaweed? It's rice. Which of these is not a planet in our solar system? Is it Pluto, Neptune, or Mercury? It's Pluto. So, how many did you get? Comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the other quizzes.